Mobile hotspots and tethering. So what is a mobile hotspot? Hotspot is a system where you can use the internet from a different mobile source. Like if I have a phone and I want to give data to another phone or my laptop, I can turn on my data connection and also turn on my hotspot, where in other device my phone will get detected. That particular phone has to enter the password then which I have set in my phone, and then they can use internet from my devices, where you can just configure the soft access point to a shared mobile device data. You just have to configure the access point. You can see in this picture, you have to set up the Wi-Fi hotspot, the network name, and then the password. You have to enter the password of that particular devices from where you are accessing the data. Once the authentication is completed, the mobile Wi-Fi hotspot will be connected and you can use the internet. Now we'll understand about the tethering. It is the shared data connection with computer that is connected via USB and Bluetooth. So earlier, from a mobile device, the Bluetooth is enabled to establish an internet connection between the two devices. Now, mobile device and wired connection methods. So now we'll understand about the laptop ports. Nowadays, everyone uses laptops. You must have seen there are several ports in a laptop, like USB port, VG port, HDMI port, etc. These ports are usually used to connect the laptop with various peripheral devices, sometimes like mouse, external keyboards also, with external hard disk, sometimes with other display. The HDMI port is usually used to transfer data, where HDMI stands for High Definition Media Interface. And in smartphone mainly, you must have seen USB-C type pin, where you can connect the pin via a cable to your laptop and you can share the data. You can import or export the data from the phone to the laptop or from the laptop to the phone. There are some phones which will having a micro USB and mini USB also. These things were coming earlier, like these are the legacy devices, as we have discussed. Legacy devices are those devices which are outdated. So micro USB and mini USB were the devices which are coming earlier days, which is now outdated, which was used to communicate and via a cord or a cable to any laptop or any other devices to import or export the data. And for Apple devices, as we know, there are so many options available, like OneDrop is also there. Okay, there are also several other options available. We can import and export the data via C-port cables. Now, serial interfaces. In serial interfaces, we have the universal receiver and transmitter, UART, and also serial data over USB and Bluetooth. We will understand about this in the next module. Bluetooth wireless connections. Here in Bluetooth wireless connection, you can enable and disable the Bluetooth. You can enable by pairing two devices. If you want to connect your phone with your laptop via Bluetooth, while your Bluetooth phone, the phone in the Bluetooth is getting paired with your laptop, it may ask you for a pin. Once you enter the right pin, which you have set with your phone, the Bluetooth devices will be paired. That means your laptop and your phone are paired via Bluetooth. Sometimes you can keep the device on a discoverable mode or hiding mode. That means even though your Bluetooth is turned on, some devices will not recognize or will not discover it. This is mainly due to the privacy reasons that some people use to keep the Bluetooth in an undiscoverable mode to ensure the safety and security of the devices. Now, near field communication, wireless communication, that is NFC. Nowadays, you must have seen that you go to any mall or restaurant, you pay the bill just by tapping your phone on the device where you are making the payment. You can see in this picture, you just have to put your phone near to the payment device, okay? And this connects each other via NFC, near field communication. This is how nowadays most of the people are paying in malls, in restaurants, especially in European and US countries.